Your entire base, highlight, contour, eyeshadow routine doesn't count for anything if it's a goopy mess by the time you get out of the door. So how does one make their foundation budge-proof? 2 words: face powder. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to tell you all you need to know about face powders. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. So what are face powders? Simply put, face powders are flesh-tinted products used to improve the appearance of the face by reducing shine and concealing blemishes. While face powders have always been one of my favorite products, it's come out of its hiding and has evolved 360 degrees. Today they are available in varied shades, finishes and tones. So even if you don't consider yourself a maximalist when it comes to makeup, you probably own a face powder, whether pressed or loose. They don't just set your makeup in place, but do so much more than that, and today I am going to introduce you to 2 such face powders that will make your base budge-proof. So the face powders that I am going to talk you through are a new launch by Pond's. These are the Glow Face Powders that come in 2 universally flattering shades. One is the Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder BB Glow, which has a natural skin-like color. And the other face powder is the Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder Pink Glow, which has a slight hint of pink infused in it. While we often consider face powders as makeup, these powders are a mix of skincare plus makeup put together in a cute jar that you can use all around the year. But what makes these glow powders so special? Let's deep dive into their benefits. They instantly brighten the skin tone, adds a long-lasting glow, covers dark spots and other skin imperfections, helps create a silky smooth skin-like finish, delivers an even toned finish, controls oil and dermatologically tested. Ultimately, these benefits will help create a long-lasting matte look. Now let me show you how I like using these face powders. So since this is a skincare product as well, you can use this product on days when you want to go makeup free for a glowing skin-like finish. But today, I am going to apply this powder over a light layer of base. Go ahead and shake the powder jar a bit so that the powder comes up through the tiny holes. Then you can either use the flat sponge that comes along with it or a powder brush to apply it. I am going to use this flat sponge. The way I like to apply this powder is by using the dab and roll technique. This technique helps push the powder into the skin. So start by applying it on the center of the face and then move outwards. What I love about this powder is that it feels really lightweight, it doesn't have any white cast, and because of the ultra fine particles in its formulation, it magically blurs the lines, blemishes, dark spots and creates an even toned matte skin. But I must add here that most of us feel that powders are meant for oily skin, but that is not true. These silky soft powders can be used by varied skin types. Now, apart from setting the makeup and mattifying the skin, these face powders can also come in handy when you're looking for a quick fix, and here are 3 quick and easy tips and hacks in which these multi-purpose powders can be used in your makeup routine. The first hack is to use these face powders to mattify any lipstick. So on days when you don't have matte liquid lipstick at your disposal, you can use these to transform creamy lipstick into transfer-proof matte lipstick by dusting some powder on top of it. First, apply your lipstick as you normally would and place a thin single tissue paper gently against your lips. Next, dip a powder brush into the face powder and lightly swirl it over the tissue paper above your lips. Take off the tissue paper and voila, your lipstick is now matte and will stay in place all day long. The second tip is to use these face powder to highlight the contour. So say for instance, you have contoured the sides of the nose, hollows of the cheeks, sides of the temple. But what you have done here is that you have pushed back the features. Now it's time to bring forward these features by using a lighter color powder. The contrast of dark and light when put together will help chisel and sculpt your best features. So then go ahead and apply a thick layer of the face powder on the bridge of the nose, right below the hollows of the cheeks and center of the forehead. While applying, use an angle brush for the cheeks and the nose. and then use a sponge for the forehead and chin. Let it sit on your skin for about 5 minutes and then lightly dust off the excess powder. Creating an eye makeup look that consists of bright, dark and shimmery shades can be a lot of fun. But that also means inviting that pesky eyeshadow fallout which eventually ends up ruining base makeup. So when I know that I am going to create an intense eye look, I like patting these face powders generously under the eye area. The face powder layer catches all the fallout and prevents it from sticking to the skin. Once you're done with the eye look, simply use a large powder brush to dust away the excess face powder. This technique not only prevents eyeshadow fallout from ruining the base, but also bakes the under eye area, which will help your concealer last longer for a creaseless finish. Lastly, these travel-friendly face powders can be used for a midday touch-up because nothing's more disappointing than completing a full face of flawless makeup and ending up watching it slip out of place 3 hours later. Just dab some powder all over your face to blot the sweat and fix your makeup. Both these face powders are priced at Rs 125 for 30 grams of product, which is quite affordable, making them a must-have in your makeup stash. So that is everything you need to know about face powders. If you wish to purchase these amazing, affordable face powders suitable for a wide range of Indian skin tones, then go ahead and check the description box for purchasing links. Before you leave, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for latest beauty updates. Bye!